Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with an unboxing. And for those of you that do know me, welcome back. So what we have for this video, it is our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of December. And believe it or not, if I do this, it will help me get the words out. But this is for the box for December. And this one feels like it's nice and full. I don't know if you guys can see here. The lid is not going all the way down, so I hope we have some really good things in here. For those of you that do not know about this box, this is a $25 a month subscription, and you get 4 to 5, I believe 45 or 5 full-size products in here, and it is said to be worth to at least $120. So the products that you get in here, the total should at least add up to that. A lot of the times it's way over that. So let's hope it is that same way this month. So what we have here, it is the second or the middle option from the subscriptions that Ipsy offers. They also offer the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which I also unbox on this channel. So if you guys are curious to see what we get in those boxes, come back, or you can also watch back to the videos from the previous months. I already have some videos up for those boxes, so you know you can look back and then wait for the future ones that I'm still waiting for to arrive. So let's get into this box. It looks nice and full. So we have our little pamphlet like we always get with our product information and our retail value. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And I'm going to start with this one because it looks interesting. So this is from Complex Couture. Again, we got something from them in our Ipsy Glam Bag, which was a brush. And it looks like this is also a brush. This one says Present Set. And then it also says bronzer. So you can use this as a multi-purpose type of brush. It says this 2-in-1 brush helps you achieve a soft finish and glow. Don't sweep. Press the flat side onto your skin to set powder. Use the tips to apply bronzer, sculpt cheeks, and blend. Okay, so I'm interested to see what this looks like. And it's packaged really nicely. This is the box that it came in. And, this is the brush itself. It comes with the little plastic. Oh, it's nice and soft and it's really fluffy. So this is what it looks like. So I guess this is what you can use by doing this. You can set, and then if you use it like this, as you guys can see, this is a little bit thinner. This is what you can use to sculpt and glow. So when you use it sideways, that's where you can, do on your cheeks. And then if you do this, that's when you can set the powder here. So this is a really nice brush. And the look on the brush itself is really nice. And it feels really nice too. It has a nice weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. So this is our first item, and it's a really good one. So next up, I'm gonna grab this one here because it also looks like it's a really good item. It is from Tarte. It is the Stay Spray Setting Spray. This is High Performance Neutral. It's from the High Performance Neutrals line, and this is what we have here. This is what the setting spray looks like. I've never tried a Tarte setting spray. I have honestly only used the Urban Decay All Nighter, I think it's called, setting spray, and I really like it, but I wouldn't mind trying a different one if it works just as well. I want to see. Ooh, that has a really nice mist. It smells really good too. It smells like cucumber. So it smells really refreshing. It says here to shake well. So this is from the Double Duty Beauty line. That sounds funny. Double Duty Beauty. Yeah, I really like this mist. It's nice and like soft. So it smells really good. I can't stop smelling it. So I'm really excited to try this one now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. This one's from Velour. It sounds like it might be in French, so if that French me, that's how I would pronounce it. But this is what it is. I have no idea what that word says. And it says it is a super oil. And it just says apply 2 to 3 drops in the AM and PM as needed. So I'm always afraid of these oils just because, oh, that was a lip. Just because my skin is already really oily. So a lot of the times adding an oil to my skin, I'm afraid that it's gonna make me like extra oily. Oh, that doesn't even look like an oil. That looks like a serum. So as you guys can see, it has like a whitish kind of tint to it. And it does not feel like an oil. It just feels like, it smells weird. It smells weird. It almost smells like this is expired. Smell it. Right?
It smells like cheese or something.
It smells, this does not smell good. So then I wonder if it's not even supposed to look white like that. It smells really bad. It really does smell like almost like blue cheese, right? Yeah, I'm definitely not going to use this. I'm gonna try and search it up online because I don't think it's supposed to smell like this. I think this is expired. I don't know why I keep smelling it. It smells nasty. So that was the third item. Let's move on. So here we have two of the same ones. I wonder if it's supposed to be a set because they're different. So this is from Noya, and then it says a simple and awesome organic peppermint lip balm. This is peppermint, and then this one is vanilla. So they're both lip balms, just one peppermint, one vanilla. So I think this is going to be a set. So, just regular lip balms. And we are down to our last item, and it looks like it's a palette. So this is from Ipsy. Is that how you pronounce it? It is, it says palette, build your own palette. Okay, so I wonder if there is anything in here or if it's just literally the palette so you can put your own pans. So let me take it out. Oh, it's pretty. This is what the outside looks like. It's almost like a faux leather kind of feel. And then it has this stamped in. And, oh, it comes with, wait. It comes with some shadows in here. So this is what it comes in. This part here is a mirror. It just has the plastic on top. But it comes with 4 shadows. But it says build your own palette. So I wonder. Oh yeah, okay. So you can take this off and then you're left with your pans back here. So if you have any other pans that you would like to put in here, say this is the pants, this is the pants, this is the pan that was in here, and you can just set it there. And then, if you have any other pans, I know ColourPop sells pans like this where you can, move them around. And then you can fit other pans on here. So this is pretty cool. So you get the holder and you get 4 pans already. You can keep this in here if you want to leave it as, just 4, or you can take it off and then you can add more. So that's pretty cool. So this is the last item from the box, and we are just left with our little cosmetic bag. And this is what it looks like for this box. You have your zipper here. And it pretty much looks just like the other one. It's just a tiny bit bigger. And instead of having the zipper on the top, you have your zipper here. So that is the bag. So now let me get the pamphlet here. And, okay, Cindy, add this up. For the eyeshadow quad along with the holder, the retail value is $60. Then we have the super oil, which I honestly think this is expired. It's $68. If this is what it's supposed to smell like, I would not pay $68 for this because it smells like cheese. So I'll put that one to the side. Then we have the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. Yes, I said it right. $25. Then we have our Complex Couture Present Set Bronzer Brush. This one is $35. And then we have the 2 organic lip balm set in peppermint and vanilla. For the set of 2, it is a value of $7.98. So what is the total? $195 with 98 cents. Now, if we subtract 68 from that, what do we get? $127 with 98 cents. So I honestly think that is the true value of the box, because I am taking this one out because I really do not think this should smell like this. So this is one product that will probably have to go into the trash. I'm gonna try and search it up a little bit to see if anybody else's smelled like that. And if it does, then the box is almost $200. But if it is not, then the box is almost $130, which is still not bad. So those were the products from this box. If you got this box and if you got this product, please let me know if it smells like cheese, because it's really bad. If it doesn't, then that way I know that mine is bad and I can get rid of it. But if yours smells like that, then maybe it should smell like that. I don't know. Let me know. Please let me know down in the comments below. I am really curious to know if that's what it's supposed to smell like. So those were all the products for this box. Please comment down below what you guys think. And that is all for me for today. I will be back with another unboxing video really soon. And I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.